Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude.ai. Claude AI can work with uploaded files, allowing you to ask questions, summarize information, identify patterns, and analyze data contained in your Excel spreadsheets. This can be especially useful when you want to work with a large dataset without manually copying the information into the chat. In this guide, I'll show you how to upload an Excel file to Claude and start analyzing it. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. Go to Claude AI and sign in to your account. Once Claude opens, start a new chat. At the bottom of the chat interface, locate the plus button. Click the plus button to open the attachment options. From the available options, select Add Files or Photos. This allows you to upload documents and other supported files to your conversation. Next, locate the Excel file you want Claude to analyze. Select the file and click Open. Claude will begin uploading the spreadsheet to your conversation. Once the Excel file has been successfully uploaded, you'll see it attached to the chat. Now you can send Claude prompts about the spreadsheet. For example, you could ask Claude to summarize the data, identify trends, find unusual values, explain specific columns, or perform calculations based on the information in the file. You can send your prompts however you want, depending on what you need Claude to do with the spreadsheet. For example, you could type, "Analyze this spreadsheet and identify the 3 most important trends." Or, "Summarize the data and explain any unusual values you find." Claude will then analyze the uploaded file and provide a response based on the data it can access. It is important to understand that you should always verify important calculations and conclusions, especially when you're using the analysis for business, financial, academic, or other high-stakes decisions. To summarize, uploading and analyzing an Excel file in Claude AI begins by opening Claude and starting a chat. Click the plus button underneath the chat, select Add Files or Photos, choose your Excel file and click Open. Once the spreadsheet has been uploaded to the conversation, you can send Claude prompts asking it to analyze, summarize, or extract insights from your data. The key is to give Claude clear instructions about exactly what you want it to analyze so you can get more useful results from your spreadsheet. And that's how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude AI. By uploading your spreadsheet directly into the chat, you can ask Claude questions about your data and get insights without having to manually copy everything into the conversation. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.